Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TikTok Shop to your US storefront. Complete guides. To connect your TikTok Shop to your US storefront, start by logging into your TikTok account. Navigate to the TikTok Shop dashboard. If you don't have a TikTok Shop account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. Ensure that your account is set to a business profile for full access. Check that you meet the eligibility requirements for TikTok Shop in the US. Gather the necessary business information, including your EIN and bank details. Next, click on the Connect Your Store button in the dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose your storefront platform. Select the e-commerce platform you currently use, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Follow the on-screen instructions to integrate TikTok with your chosen platform. Log into your e-commerce account when prompted to authorize the connection. Once authorized, fill in any additional information required for the integration. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing the connection. After connecting, set up your product catalog in TikTok Shop. Upload your product images, descriptions, and prices. Ensure that each product complies with TikTok Shop policies. Once your products are uploaded, activate your shop by clicking the Go Live button. Promote your TikTok Shop through your existing social media channels. Monitor performance through the TikTok Shop dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on the insights provided to optimize sales. Regularly update your product offerings to keep your shop fresh and engaging. Stay informed about TikTok updates and features to enhance your shop experience. Now your TikTok Shop is officially connected to your US storefront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.